FEC's number 101. This gate is pushed out of its wind guard. I don't even know how that happened. But as you can see, that's how much of a gap that it's in right there. Check that out. So if anything hits this one, it's done. So I'm gonna stand my distance right here. Sounds like 100 on lead. Happy National Train Day to everybody. I'm surprised that that gate hasn't even touched anything. I bet they had to call that one in. Anyway, this EOT will be posted in the description box below. It's BBT 609 here on County Road 512 East on the Florida East Coast Main Line. Have a safe trip to the crew of 202 and 101. Look, listen, and live.